Hello friends, today I'll show you 5 conditional formatting tricks that instantly reveal duplicates, blanks, trends, and top performers, no thinking required. Okay, let's jump into the magic of conditional formatting. Let's start with a common cleanup task, finding duplicate entries. Here's a quick email list example, and we'll clean it up in seconds. First, select your email list, for example, that's A2 to A16. Navigate to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, and duplicate values. Choose a formatting style, light red fill with dark red text, works great for visibility. Click OK. And just like that, Excel automatically highlights every repeated email. Empty fields slow you down. Let Excel expose every blank cell in seconds. First, select the range you want to inspect. Go to Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. Change the rule type to blanks. Pick a bold fill colored yellow or red, works great for visibility. And just like that, Excel lights up every missing entry, making your data cleanup faster and error-free. The top 10 rule helps you highlight your highest achievers in seconds. Let's use a quick example list of scores. First, select the entire list of scores. Go to Conditional Formatting, Top/Bottom Rules, and Top 10 Items. Pick your favorite highlight style and click OK. Excel instantly marks the highest values, making it super easy to see who's leading. Now let's turn raw numbers into visual insights. Here's a sample set of monthly sales figures. Instead of analyzing each number manually, let Excel show you the trend at a glance. First, select your sales range. Go to Conditional Formatting, Color Scales. Choose the green, yellow, red scale, where green highlights high values, and red marks the lower ones. Instantly, your data transforms into a heat map, making top performers jump right off the screen. Want a polished, professional dashboard? Icon sets do the magic. Let's use a simple example with project completion percentages. Select your percentage column. Go to Conditional Formatting, Icon Sets, and Shapes. Choose a style, traffic lights, arrows, or any icon set that matches your report theme. Green, above 72%, yellow, between 34% and 71%, and red, below 33%. And just like that, your dashboard becomes instantly readable. If this helped you level up your Excel skills, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more simple tricks.